So number 1, find the acceleration when v is 8. So we let v be 8 first. 8 equals 10, 1 minus e minus half t. Okay, what is 8 divided by 10? 4 over 5. So 1 minus e minus half t. I'm going to bring over e minus half t is 1 over 5. So I'm going to ln both sides. Negative half t equals to ln 1 over 5. Right? Ln 1 over 5 is negative ln 5. I multiply over t is 2 ln 5. Yes or no? You want, you can change to decimal, but we're not done yet. We're finding what? We're finding acceleration. What's the acceleration? You got to differentiate this, right? When you differentiate velocity, you get 10. Differentiate 1, you get 0. Differentiate this, bring the power down, is positive half e minus half t. Alright? Sub 2 ln 5 inside. 10 divided by 2 e minus ln 5. Now what happened to the 2? The 2 and half cancel out. So this is 5. And what is e ln 5? Remember this? E ln x is x. So you write this as 5 power negative 1. And in fact, e n ln x is x power n. So it's x 5 power negative 1. Answer is 1. Next one. Okay, Roman 2. Calculate the nearest meter, the displacement when t is 6. Okay, equals to 6. You're finding displacement, so we have to integrate, right? Alright. Now, will the particle change direction? It won't. Should I make assumption, or should I use definite, integral, indefinite? Okay, you're not sure. Let's just do indefinite. Let's do indefinite. So we do integrate 10, 1 minus e minus half t dt. Take out 10, integrate 1, you get t. Negative half e negative half t plus c. You can inside this a 10t. This is a positive 20. E minus 1 over 2t plus c. Actually, we can use definite, but never mind. When t is 0, s is 0. Is my c 0? I don't think so. This is 0, 0. This is 20. C is minus 20. Minus. But you need to find when t, right? So we put 10 times 6, 20. E minus half times 6 minus 20. They say to the nearest meter. So if you use calculator, 60. Okay, I'm going to write 60 minus 20 is 40 plus 20 e minus 3. Okay, 40 plus 20 e minus 3. 40.9, 41. Sketch the velocity time graph for the particle. Okay, sorry. State what happens when t becomes very large. Okay, you know this, right? When t approaches infinity, anything power negative infinity is 0. So your velocity will be what? 10 multiplied by 1 minus 0. Answer 10. It approaches 10 meters per second. Okay, there are two ways of thinking when it comes to sketching graph. Number 1, we go back to the basic. Okay, time out first. I show you the graph first. How do you sketch y equals to e power t? Exponential graph goes like this. It will intercept at 1. True? What happens if I put negative half? Well, the negative means it's a reflection in the y-axis, so it goes the other way around. But the half does not affect the intercept. How? At let's say y-axis, I put t equals 0, 0, e power 0 is still 1. It still intercept 1, but it goes downwards. Okay. Now next, what happens when you put a negative in front? So it's a reflection in axis or t-axis now. So this one intercept 1. Is that negative 1? Okay, the graph goes like that. And finally, if I put a 10, okay, maybe you want me to put 10 first, or should I put 1 minus first? Okay, I guess you all understand 10 first. We have 10 here. What happened? Intercept at 10 minus 10, right? And what if I have a minus 10 e minus half t plus 10? So basically I 10. When I shift up by 10, it will intercept at 0. and this would be 10. That's how the graph should look like. But I know you'll be thinking, does I really go through one big circle here just to get this? Actually, no, you don't have to. Some people can, you can see the hint. The hint is this. They say, what happened when t approaches infinity? It approaches 10. So we know the graph should be this converging. You know the meaning converging? I mean, it will get moved to a particular value. Right? Initially, when t is 0, guys, when t is 0, what's your v? When t is 0, put here, Roman 4. When t equals 0, v is 10, 1 minus e, this is 0, which is 0, right? So I know it will start from 0. I know when it approaches infinity, it will reach 10. So I don't have to go through this whole process. Get my point? Yeah, we just find the starting point and we base on this hint here. What happened when t approaches infinity? After all, this is 2 marks. Yeah. So you just correct sketch, show the intercept or the asymptote correctly, you get the answer already.